Ah, huh? Good evening, guys. Good evening, Pute. Switch on the cameras, all of you. Aska, Saheli, Darina, Hasini, Tisali, mm, Hirusara. Switch on the camera. Hi, Badira. Switch on the camera, everybody. Okay. So hereafter, we will start to do the papers as well. Huh? And I will start spot question session today onwards. We are going to start spot question where I ask question from the area that you have already learned. Right now we have covered almost 70%. We have covered from entire syllabus. So we are ready to go for spot questions as well. Right, Aska and Barira, switch on the camera. When the fasting time, I'll let you to keep the camera switch off. So I'm saving my last drop of energy, Barira. I badly want to break my fast right now. Another few minutes more, right? I'm training, saving my last drop of energy. I don't know whether I can tell that is it good or not, but it's a bit hard now. It's day by day it's getting harder. Right. Okay. So this is the paper I'm sharing with you. Oh, this is the paper I'm sharing with you guys. Part one question. Please, as we did last. Make a hurry, I can't. හරි. HK open කරගත්තා. අයියෝ. ඇයි ළමයි එහෙම වෙන්නේ? මට මේක use කරන්න බැරිද? ඒක එතනටමයි යන්නේ.
Excuse me, madam.
Oh,
It's Azad in the center drawing, so shall I
yeah.
break my phone?
Switch off the camera. Switch on. Barira, you also break your fast and come. Okay, Pute. Here, question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I will give you this 6 question on screen. Please answer this question. I will give you 15 minutes. I will give you 15 minutes. Answer these questions, then we can discuss.
Either we can't see the question.
Is it okay now?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, can you share the paper on the WhatsApp?
Normally I won't share papers on WhatsApp, but do it. I have shared the paper in the WhatsApp group as well, and you can have the question on screen. Okay, guys, keep the camera switch on now. Now it's more than enough. Or everybody keep the camera switch on. Aska, do you want to pray?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, pray and come. Okay, pray and come. Okay, right. Shall we start discussing these things? Okay, shall we start to discuss? Okay, first question. I have also learned to say goodbye when I mean good riddance. What is this poem? Hirusara, I ask from each of you. Hirusara, tell me.
Once upon a time by
Once,
Gabriel
okay.
Opara.
Once upon a time. Once upon a time by who is the writer?
Gabriel Opara.
Gabriel Okara. Very good. B question. Hasini, who speaks these lines, darling? What is the tone of the speaker?
These lines are spoken by the father who is explaining the modern society to his son.
Okay.
Uh,
What is the tone?
the tone he is using is guilt about the behavior of the modern people in the society.
Guilt or disappointment about the people's behavior?
Disappointment.
Disappointment. Guilt you have when you do something wrong and you are worrying about your own mistakes. We call that one guilt. Varadakari hagima. Here, this is not a guilt but a disappointment. He is not actually happy the way the people are behaving. He said he has adapted himself according to the other people, but he is not satisfied with that. Yes? Guilt, yes, you can take guilt as well, because what he is doing is not what exactly he wants to do, so it's a kind of guilt as well. So the Hasini, yes, I can take your answer as well. How would you comment on the qualities of the speaker, Saheli?
He is hypocritical and his hidden nature can be seen beneath the fake generosity, and it shows through the poem his fake generosity towards the people.
Yes. How would you comment on the qualities of the people? So he is a kind of hypocritic person, because what his inner thought believe and what he exactly wants to be, what he exactly wants to do, he's unable to do it. So what he has done, he has adapted himself according to the other people's requirement. So you can say he is a person who is adaptable, flexible, but He is a person who is very conventional, who wants to stick with the roots and follow the methods we were following from all those early days. Ne? So he is a conventional person, but adaptable one. He has adapted himself according to the societal requirement. Okay.
Teacher, for that, can't we say he was deeply affected by the social pressure of the modern world?
Yes, Pute, what did you say, darling?
Teacher, for that, can't they say that he was deeply affected by the social pressure of the modern world?
Exactly, yes. He is deeply affected by the pressure given by the society. So therefore, until a certain level, he bear that pressure and try to remain his own version, his own, not to give up his originality. But in the middle, he understands it's useless to be such honest person in front of the others when all the other people are hypocritic. Yes, all the people are very opportunist. So staying alone is hard. It's easy to cope up with the others and adjust ourselves according to all the other majority people. Yes or no? Yeah. Is that clear, the first question?
Teacher, can't we say wise and mature as he understand his fault, ready to change and honest?
Repeat, Putta.
Wise and mature as he understand his fault, ready to change and
How did you start the answer, darling?
wise and mature as he understand his fault.
Who is that? What are the names?
Uh, Wise and mature as he
Ah,
understand
ah,
his
ah.
fault.
Okay. Yes, wise and mature. Yes, he is wise and mature. May ahanda answers balanne. Don't see the answers. Don't see the answers because I have by hearted the answers. I know what are the answers given by the system. It's wrong. Emepa. Be very flexible. Be very creative. Be very innovative to come out with your own answers because seen answers and reading those things will not make you a smart one, right? It's maybe you can cheat, not me. Maybe other teachers you can teach, you not me, because I have read the answer script, I have practiced, I have by hearted, I have seen all the question papers so far. මම බලලා තියෙනවා, කියවලා තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා ඔයාලා උත්තරයක් දෙනකොට වචනෙන් මම අල්ල ගන්නවා මේක මෙතනින් අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ කියලා. So please don't do it with me. මත් එක්ක ඒක කරන්න එපා please.
Teacher, I didn't write the answer. I just
Yeah.
saw the answer and asked.
Yeah. Please don't do that. එහෙම කරන්න එපා පුතේ. මොකද මේ පුතා තාම මේක ඉගෙනගෙන නැහැනේ මේ poem. So that's why I was thinking, how did you find the answers for these poems? කමක් නැහැ. ඒ වුණාට ඒ answers බලලා එහෙම repeat කරන්න එපා. poem එක දන්නවා නම් කරන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් බලන්න මේ recordings තියෙනවා. පුතාට ඕනේ මගේ recordings තියෙනවා LMS එකේ. එකෙන් අරගෙන refer කරන්න. එතකොට idea එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. එතකොට first poem, I have also learned to say goodbye when I mean good riddance. This is the poem what? Once upon a time. A father, what he says to his son, and he is confessed about his childhood, his innocent childhood, the life he led right earlier before this industrializations and modernization. So the people were so real, people were so attached to each other, the bond was real, the affection was real, right? But with the time, what happened? People start to avoid each other's feeling. People start to criticize the others when they are not available, right? Sometimes they appreciate somebody when they are present and start to criticize when they are absent. So the people become so hypocritic, right? The people become so dishonest with this technological revolutions and all. So this man is talking about that how happy they were, how real the love was they had, the relationship, the affections, the connections they had when they were children. But with the time, how people have changed and become very opportunist, right? So the money minded, right? Business oriented, or profit, they always expect profit from the other person, right? ඔන්න මෙන්න මේ පොයම් එක නම් ඔයාලා කාලා බීලා මිරිකලා ගිලලා ඔක්කොම කරලා ඉන්නේ. මොකක්ද ඒක? රිචඩ් කෝරි. අයියෝ මං ආන්සර් එක කිව්වනේ. දැන් පැය 16කට 18කට පස්සේ කාලානේ ඉන්නේ ළමයි. මොලේ අංජ බජාලලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් චුට්ටක් it takes time to come back to the normal condition. තේරුණානේ? දැක්කනේ? Not only me but also my screen.
Teacher,
Yeah.
teacher, should we do the question paper?
No, you don't want to do the paper, you just see. Because the question papers are just to see, just to look at and appreciate, admire the beauty of the letters. Wow, how many letters are there? Wow, what a wonderful structure it is. Wow, now see the way they have written the question. Wonderful. Appreciate, admire it. Don't try to answer. You, baby donkey. See the question. අහන question. ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්නේ 6ට. නෝන මහත්තයා ක්ලාස් එකට එන්නේ 6:44ට. ඇවිල්ලා අහනවා ලියන්න ඕනද? නෑ මලවන්න තියාගන්න. ඔලු ගෙඩිය. ඇයි යන්නේ? ක්ලාස් එකට නිදාගත්තද? You slept? ලැජ්ජ නැද්ද කෙල්ලේ? ලැජ්ජාවක් කියලා නාමයක්වත් නැද්ද ඔහෙට? ඔහෙට ගහන්න ඕනේ ඊට කලින් ඔහෙලගේ අම්මිට ගහන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? ඔය වගේ අම්මලා හම්බෙන්න ළමයි පින් කරන්න ඕන. You know that? ඔයලා වගේ අම්මලා හම්බෙන්න පින් කරන්න. දැන් අපේ වගේ අම්මලා හම්බුණා නම් මේ වෙනකොට ගෙදර නිදා ගන්න මිනිස්සු ඇහැරෙනකොට මහා පාරේ තමයි ඇඳ තියෙන්නේ. ඇඳ පිටින් උසලා ගිහලා මහා පාරේ තියලා එන්නේ මම නම්. හරිද? So you are lucky. You are blessed with a good mother. You could have blessed a mother like me. Then you wouldn't have survived so far. හරිද? ලැජ්ජ නැතුව අහන ආත්මේ question. Hari. So what is the second question? And Richard Corey one summer night went home and put a bullet through his head. What is the poem, Yadav? What is the poem? Who is the writer? Edwin Arlington Robinson. Richard Corey is the poem. Azka, enough. Put a full stop now. Barira, wake up, stand up, switch on the camera, done. What is the effect created by these lines, Puta? Amodya, tell me, what is the effect created by these lines? Which effect is created through these lines? Huh? What is the fact?
Irony,
Irony. Why it is irony?
because Richard Corey is a rich person and everybody considered he's a perfect person, and
Sagnapur, he went home and put a bird through his head.
Exactly. So the entire people consider him as a complete, otherwise what? Perfect personality from top to toe. Education, financial, social, appearance, and everything. So the people are worrying about their own destiny and compare their life with the Richard Cory. And they says that we should be blessed with the lifestyle of Richard Cory. That's how the entire downtown people admires Richard Cory. But ironically, he ends his life by committing suicide. It's ironical. It's a
Excuse me, madam.
yes, darling.
Madam, if you write only irony, is it enough?
What is the effect created by these lines? Writing only the word irony is not enough at all because you guys are literature students. If you want to write a one word answer for the literature question, that means you are not in the right track. Maybe your answer is right, don't expect A grade for in your result sheet. If you are a person who is supposed to write one word answer for the literature question, so may God bless you for your result list. Right? Don't ask such questions. I have told you, first question, don't write single answer. Didn't I tell you? Huh? Context type, first answer, even don't write single answers. Make it bit elaborative. Write it at least one complete line. Second one, 2 lines. Third one, 3 lines. Fourth one, at least 3 to 5 lines. If you expect to get A grade for your exam, if you are okay with receiving SOC marks, no problem, you can write a single word answers. Okay, right. Next one, what messages are given through this action of Richard Cory Vimasha?
According to these lines, anyone can't judge by their outer appearance. Rich and educated people are not perfect in everything. There are some faults in good looking people also.
Exactly. You should not judge a person by seeing their outer appearance, right? So the people judge other ones by observing their outer appearance, material success. So you can't define a person's entire character by seeing such things. So emotional involvement to the particular character is a must. That's what we have to understand through this story. That is the message we are learning from this poem. If a person is happy with the money, if a person is happy with the way he looks, if somebody is satisfied with the education level they have, then Richard Cory should live forever. He should not give up his life. Everything was extraordinarily provided to him. Yes, not in an ordinary level. We people are ordinary people. Whatever we have, everybody own the things that we have. But the Richard Cory is something extraordinary, right? People are over about his beauty, about his character, about his quality, about his educational level, right? People were mesmerizing seeing the personality of him. But finally, he ended up his life because it doesn't mean a person's inner happiness can gain through the materialistic success. Yes, Barira? Yeah.
Teacher,
Yes, what?
when starting the question, can I write like, we can't judge a book by its cover? Is it okay?
Yeah. That is the famous saying which is very suitable to this answer because we should not judge a book by its cover. Right? There are some books written by God very carefully by putting all the amazing qualities into that, but those books remain in the self without taking benefits like Amodhya. Right? Amodhya is a book which is carefully, amazingly written by God. But she has been spending her most of the time on the bed, in the bed, without using what God bless you. I'm so disappointed about you. I'm very sad to hear this, tell this. You don't know who you are, how blessed you are, what are the potentials you have. If you are a person like teacher, I know my potentials. I'm using them very carefully, but I enjoy my life as well. I sleep when I want. I enjoy my life the way I want, but I'm very conscious about my future, and I'm very keen on my work. If you are a person like that, I'm totally okay, because I know some people, right, including the chairman, who, our Barida, your mayor. So the Putlam mayor, he's an engineer, very talented person. I don't know his regime, his ruling power and all, I don't know, but he's a very intelligent person. But if you go and talk to him, discuss about his school days, so he is a mischievous guy. Have you heard such stories, Barira? So he is such a mischievous guy. But from very first time, he has entered himself to the Moratuwa engineer faculty, studied with all those bright K's, and came out as an engineer. He is running his own company there. Now he is the mayor, the first mayor of Putlam, right? So be a person like that. You enjoy your life, do all the rubbish things, but make sure to keep your main focus on in a particular goal. Amodhya, if you are doing like that, you won't ask the question, teacher, do I want to answer this question? Okay.
No, teacher, I thought like the kids were answering and I thought you have given it earlier. I didn't see it in the group.
That means you didn't see my group messages also. Otherwise, you are
No,
just
teacher, I saw it, but I saw it like when I was logging to the class, it was the last message, and I was like, maybe she had sent it earlier, but I didn't notice.
okay. Even you don't know whether that message is sent early or not. Very good, huh? Phew. Amazing. Otherwise, are you a person like my husband? He wakes up in the morning and asks, where am I? Who you are? What are you doing in my room? Right. Okay. So every day I have to provide the explanation. I am this and that. You are this and that. You have to do this and that. So I have to provide. So you wake up in the evening and you ask me, who am I, teacher? Who you are? Why this screen? Why people are right? Okay. We'll move to the next question. Ane mandanne lamai. I am surrounded by crazy people. We all realize that what some of our fellow Sri Lankans experience every day for nearly 30 years. Barira, name the work in which these lines
And
appear.
before that, madam, before that, there is a question, right? Third one.
Did I skip the third? Okay, right. Okay, Barira, tell me the third one. She will, no. We will discuss the fourth one and we'll move to the third one first. Okay, now Barira, tell me the fourth one. First question. Name the work in which these lines appear. Name the speaker.
The Lahore attack by Kumar Sangakkara.
Yes, the Lahore attack by Kumar Sangakkara. Okay. බලන්නකො ඒකේ අහන question එක බලන්න. Name the writer කියලා අහන්නේ නැහැ. Name the speaker. Why is that, Tisali? All the other questions they are asking name the writer. Why the fourth questions only raise the question as name the speaker? Why is that, Tisali?
That the same person has written this one as well as he's the one who's speaking in this.
Exactly. This is not a script, but a speech. Right? This is the speech. Because of that reason, the question has raised name the speaker, name the orator. Second question goes to Azka, who is refers to as we. What helped them to come to this realization?
We is referred to as Sri Lankan cricket team, and this realization come because they faced a terrorist attack in the Lahore of Pakistan.
Yeah. So when you are in a background where there are a lot of siblings, this is how the background noise would be, right? It shows that, teacher, I have enough siblings in my home. Don't worry, next year I'm going to send another one. Continuously another 4-5 years, you will get one student from my family. Right. So I'm happy after hearing the noise from the background, and I know that the little one are screaming, oh my God, thank God, the next generation is getting ready for my classes. So I can survive another 4-5 years. Okay, so because of that reason, now I am blaming Amodya. When Amodya is about to face the exam, I'm like, Amodya, darling, baby, what are you doing, my puta? That's how I'm treating, so that she can recommend me to her family. Okay, right. Listen to this. Who are the we? Who are the we, puta? Sri Lankan cricket team, including Kumar Sangakkara. So, what helped them to come to this realization? We are realized that what some of our fellow Sri Lankans experience every day for nearly 30 years. You tell me, Puta. Shamira. But did you write read out? Did you write the answer for that? Why? You didn't write? Show me. Which one? That's the question. What helped them to come to this? Okay, me too. The rest of the things you didn't write. Why? Couldn't get an idea. Okay, right. Aisha Maulana. Aisha Maulana is like, I am a teacher. You start the class by 6. First of all, let me finish the round. This one is and with full stomach only, I will attend the class. I don't care who you are. I will attend the class after having my notes. Right. Okay. Go ahead.
Excuse me, madam, have you removed your mic?
Here. Can you hear me now?
Yes, madam.
Okay, right. Aisha Maulana, will you please give me the answer for this? What helped them to come to this realization?
Miss, what was the question? Is I just turned on my video now. I went to pray. I went to pray, Miss, because I had a class, and when I reached home, it was just 5 minutes before iftar. So I joined after iftar. I prayed, and then I turned on the video. I didn't know what was going.
Hasini, you tell me, Puta. You tell. Me kello වැඩක් නෑ. සත්ත පහකට වැඩක් නෑ. You tell, Puta. ඔන්න බලන්න විකාරයක් කරනවා. Tell me, what helped them to come to this realization?
They came to the realization when they got to know that more than 30 years the people of this country faced terrorist attacks, just like they had to face something like this. So they came to a realization that the Sri Lankan people has faced much more terror than them.
Exactly. So what helped them to come to this realization? The terrorist attack they faced during the Lahore tour, right? During the Lahore tournament, the terrorist attack they faced make them to realize the situation of all the other Sri Lankan people who faced war more than 30 years. That is the situation, make them to realize the difficulties of the common other Sri Lankans, people who are living in the low war affected areas. Yes, Pute? Right. What qualities of we are shown here, Amodya? Amodya said no. Barira, tell me what qualities of we are shown here.
The qualities like sympathy, understanding, unity, and compassion.
Okay, so there are qualities. What are the qualities they are showing here? Maturity, huh? So they are humanity. What is the humanity if you don't have the sense of understanding other people, difficulties, the pain, and difficulties and mental pressures of other people, you cannot consider as a human being. If you are a human being, you should be able to feel the other people pain. So that is the humanity. Other things, what? Sympathy, you worry about other one. You see the other people are sad and you feel bad about it. That is sympathy. What is empathy? You feel like you exactly going through such difficulties. So these people empathize because we face this attack and we understand how horrible this incident is, how difficult for us to come out from that horror background, right? So they understand, oh my God, for one day we could not tolerate this one. What about our Sri Lankan fellow people? They have been facing these kinds of incidents throughout their life. Yes, Vate? Right. So you can see the empathy, you can see this humanity, and what else? And you should be a person who is very sensitive, right? Who is very sensitive. Sensitive people will understand others' pain. Sensitive people will understand what they have done is wrong, right? Sensitive people will understand whatever the feelings you have, whatever the difficulties you have, whatever the expectations you have about the life, the other also have the same. They also have their own dreams. They also feel sad. They also break down when they lost their loved ones. It is applicable to everybody. So you should be a sensitive person for that. This team, they were very sensitive, right? Okay, so we could see such qualities. They are matured enough, right? At the same time, they are very sensitive group of people. They understood the value of humanity, right? They sympathize the people's situations who are living in the war affected areas, right, Pute? Yes. Can we move to the third question as we already missed that one? She will dance so lightly that her feet will not touch the floor, and the courtiers in their grey dress will throng round her. But with me she will not dance, for I have no red rose to give her. Farah Hakim, Farah Hanim. Farah, tell me, darling.
This lesson, teacher. I just went for the free seminar.
Ah,
Teacher, we didn't do this lesson.
you didn't learn this one, Nightingale and the Rose.
Yes, teacher, I'm in grade 10.
You just joined this session to do the paper.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, no problem. Hirusara, you tell me then.
Nightingale and the Rose.
Nightingale and the rose, or the nightingale and the rose?
The Nightingale and the
The
Rose.
nightingale and the rose. If you instead of the nightingale, you write nightingale and the rose. Will you get the marks? Will you get the marks?
No.
I have told you, even if you make a simple spelling mistake, you won't get marks. So if you miss an article here, right? If you miss an article, will you be penalized or not? You will be penalized definitely. Yes, article plays a major role. It is the title, the nightingale. This is not about entire nightingales in the world. This is about this specific one, the nightingale and the rose. Okay. So the first article, the T capital. The second article, the T simple. Everything should be considered. Hari. Ahannako. Ilang. What is the context, Aisha Maulana?
Yes, yes.
What is the context, darling?
The nightingale. You're asking the first question, right, miss?
No, I'm asking the second one.
It is when it is when that the student thinks of the girl who dance if he gives the rose that if he gives the red rose that she had already asked for, and yes.
Is that the exact situation?
He just imagines.
He imagines about the situation because of what reason? Aisha, your microphone is so noisy. Okay. Mute it.
Yes, yes, I joined with another device.
That's great.
Could I please leave from this? Yes.
Yeah, you are going to join back.
Yeah, miss, I joined from another device.
Okay. Vimasha, if you are a grade 11 student, if you are doing your third term test, then grade 11 student, third term test, then you have to cover all the 13 chapters. If you are a student of grade 10 and you are doing your third term, then you have to cover 6 chapters. Grade 10 third term, you have to cover 6 chapters. 6 chapters for grade 10, 7 chapters for grade 11. That's how you have to cover the entire fiction. Right. Here, what is the context? The context is when the boy is crying in the garden after knowing he is unable to find a red rose. Then he imagines if he doesn't give her a red rose, what will happen to her? What will happen to her? She will dance with another one without giving the chance to him. That is the context. Barira, behind your table there is a book stool. No, give me that now. I am looking for that very badly. I need it. I couldn't get that. If I come to your home, definitely I'm going to steal it. Hari, ahannako. So that is the situation. When the boy got to know he is unable to find the red rose without taking any effort, without taking extra effort to find the red rose, he started to cry. Imagine that he is unable to dance with the girl because he didn't give her the red rose as she requested. Then she will dance with another one and he have to be idly waited. Oh, next question. Next question. What kind of relationship is there between the speaker and she? Are you ready to answer? Can I have a bottle of water? Where is my water bottle, Baba? Ayyo. Can you take, whose bottle is this? Huh? That one, glass one? He's having two water bottles. Even I don't have one. How poor am I and how rich the Heshansa is. The mouse I am using is 3,000. The mouse used by Heshansa is 20,000. See the social level of us? but but I am smart. Maybe he is rich, I am smart because this is what he is using. Right? This is what he is using. This is 25,000. This is what I am using. Do you see major difference there? We both used to move the mouse, right? You use 25,000 mouse and real mouse won't come and run in the screen, no? So we do. I don't know. Maybe he can do something more with this.
Teacher, we can't hear you.
Can you hear? Yes. Now can hear me, na? Tisali, what are you doing? පුතේ කැමරාව ඉස්සරහට චුට්ටක් එන්න. කැමරාව වැඩ කරනවද බලන්න. කැමරාව ඉස්සරහින් චුට්ටක් අත මෙහෙම කරන්න. බයයිද? ඔව්. මේ කැමරාව ඉස්සරහින් චුට්ටක් අත වන්නන්න. නෑනේ. කැමරා එක ස්ටක් වෙලා තියෙනවා. හරිනේ. Okay, right. Here we go. Done. අපි වතනද පිටේ හිටියේ? බලන්න. What kind of relationship is there between speaker and she? What kind of relationship are they having? I asked from Darina, can you tell me? Did you learn that story?
No, teacher. I only learned Twilight of a Flame and Richard Cory so far.
Right, no problem. We'll ask from Azka. Azka, give me the answer.
The relationship between them is actually it's not the true relationship, but the boy thinks that she is her girlfriend. The boy likes to be that girl as his girlfriend, but the girl still the boy not sure about that, but it's the boy's wish.
Okay, right. So the relationship they have in between them is very materialistic. The girl's love is conditional and she is not in real love with the boy. And the boy also not have a true affection towards the girl. It is just the infatuation and his interest towards the girl's social level, social status, right? So the girl coming from a well-to-do family, she is weaving the cloth, she is knitting the cloth, and by the side you see the dough, that she represent the high class families. Have you seen? නේද ගෙදර මේ බබාව අතින් අල්ලගෙන බලු පැටියව ඉනේ තියාගෙන යන නෝනලා දැකලා තියෙනවනේ. සමහරවිට බබාට දානවා පටියක් දාලා බබාව බලු පැටිය වගේ අරගෙන බලු පැටියව බබාව වගේ අරගෙන. So I have seen such people. So it represent their class. අපි දන්නවා ආය මොනවද? සිත්සුකීද මොනවද කියන්නේ? මොනවද ඒක? බලු වර්ගයක් කියන්නේ සිත්සුකී. අනේ මොනවද මන්දනේ. ඔන්න ඔහොම ඉන්නවනේ බලු වර්ගයක්. එහෙම ඉන්නකොට අපි දන්නවා definitely they are coming from a well to do family, because the normal family cannot afford their food and all. නේද? අපි ගෙදර චොක්ලට් එකක් ගන්නෙම හරි අමාරුයි. ඒ බල්ලන්ට හැමදාම චොක්ලට් අරන් දෙන්න ඕනේ. මේ biscuit, those biscuits are expensive than chocolate. You know that, right? So the maintaining such luxurious dogs are not easy. So it represents their social level. So this boy is infatuated by the appearance and the social status of the girl. Not only the girl is materialistic conditional, her love is conditional, that's true. At the same time, boy also not truly affectionate towards the girl. They are having a superficial love. Their love is not deep. Their love is not real. Their love is not created just because of they are emotionally connected. No. Understood? Right.
Teacher,
Yes, Putte.
teacher, I don't understand the first question's third part. The qualities of the speaker.
What qualities of we are shown here. So the line says, we all realize that what some of our fellow Sri Lankans experience.
No, not that one, teacher.
Yeah.
The first question.
First question. Oh, how would you comment on the qualities of the speaker? Okay,
Yes, teacher.
I have also learned to say goodbye when I mean good riddance. So it says that what quality? From your heart. I'm asking Puta, how is the class? You say that, wow, teacher, it's really interesting. We are so encouraged by you. We really want to continue the class. Then you are from your heart, you say that, at what time this lady will stop the class? I feel so tired. I want to sleep now. Right? It is called the hypocrisy, right? So your actions and the words are not tally with each other. Here he don't want, he says that I'm so done with you, but what I'm saying goodbye, the meeting I had with you is really good, I just want to meet you again. So it shows the people hypocrisy. Another thing, like, this is not who I am. But after facing lot of struggles, after facing lot of fake people, I also adapt myself according to that. Now I am also treating them the way they treat me. Right? So it is the adaptation of the person. Now how they treat me, I am also treating them, but I am not happy with that. I'm not happy with that, right? That is not exactly what I want to be, but I have adapted. So his hypocrisy, but his adaptation, you can see. Is that clear, Puti?
Yes, teacher, and also I wrote like 5 lines for the second answer and 4 lines for the third answer. Is it okay?
No. Second, this is how your marks are allocated. Earlier they gave 3 sub questions. Now they are giving 4 sub questions. So the 1 mark, 2, 1 mark, 3, 1 mark, 4, 1, fourth one, 2 marks. Right? So the according to what you have written, they won't change the marking scheme. No matter you have written for 40 line, for the third question they will give you 1 mark. No matter how small your answer is, you are given 2 marks out of their expectation. What you have reached, according to your reach level, they will provide the marks. If it is 2 line, then you will receive half marks. No? Yes. So according to the marking scheme, give your answer. Don't decide your answer and expect the marks from them. According to the marking scheme. දන්නවනේ නේද? question 4කට first 3 question එකට 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, last question එකට 2 mark. That's how you are going to get 5 marks for this single question. Earlier they asked 3. Now earlier also they asked 4 questions. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this second question, there were 2 parts. Now those 2 parts are separated into 4 sub questions. Hari. Oof. Stop. This is for Darina. Stop worrying about the supper. You have got to come. Let's play together. What is this?
It is from Twilight of the Crane, and it's written by Yuzua Junji Kinoshita.
Yes, this is from Twilight of a Crane, not of the Crane. Twilight of a Crane. Ne? Not the Crane, a Crane. Twilight of a Crane by Yuzua Junji Kinoshita. Barira, who is the speaker, and where is he? Sorry. Yes, Who is the speaker? To whom are these lines spoken? Tell me. Who is the speaker, darling? Barira, I'm asking this question from you. Can't you remember? Can or can't?
Teacher, Yahya is speaking here.
Sorry, it is?
Yahya is speaking here.
Yes. So Yohio is uttering these words to whom?
To Zu.
While you are writing that, say that to his beloved wife Susu. Right. Make sure you elaborate the line as even a bit. What is the relationship between these two? Saheli? No. Sihali?
These two maintain a very romantic and casual relationship who love each other deeply. The speaker Yo-Yo depicts qualities like laziness and irresponsible but also caring and loving towards his wife Sue, which type their relationship.
Okay, right. So they are maintaining a what type of what is the relationship? First of all, declare the relationship. Is it a relationship between two friends? Is it a siblings or is it a husband and wife? So they are maintaining a husband and wife relationship. Question is, what is the relationship between these two? So that is they have husband and wife relationship. So what qualities of the speaker are depicted here? Stop worrying about the supper. So it's the line says he's a very irresponsibility one. He find happiness in the particular moment without considering the long term effects, right? You know that when you it is life is not like you enjoy right now and suffer the next second. So you have to think about the future and react accordingly. Okay, right. So hereafter, yes. Uh-huh. Oh, Momo, salute ma bong. Sorry, okay, so they are maintain a husband and wife relationship. Through these lines, you understand the Yohio is someone who is not ready to take the responsibility, but he is a caring, loving, supportive husband, right? So those things you can. What qualities of the speaker are depicted here? I had a violent row with Christine and nearly threw him out of the window. Throw him out of the window. Mazugo has something the matter with his balls and this woman has state of mind. Name the work in which these lines appear. Name the writer. We'll ask from Aisha Maulana.
Uncle Chico. The Beabai Uncle Chico.
Yes, the Beabai, the drama Beabai Uncle Chico. Who is the speaker? Where is he? Hasini?
The speaker of the above lines are Smirnov, and he is in Popova's drawing room in this situation.
Yes. So this is the Smirno, the landowner Smirno, who has become a debtor and has entered Papua's house to collect his credit. Right? At the moment, he is in Papua's living room. Living room or dining room? Drawing room, right? Drawing room. What are the feelings of the speaker? I need answer from Hirusara, tell me.
Teacher, I don't know.
Oh, you didn't learn?
Yes, teacher.
Don't attend my classes while I'm teaching drama. Because I'm too bad at explaining drama. Amodya, tell me. What are the feelings of the speaker?
The above lines depicts the frustrationness of the speaker.
Yes. So here it shows he's irritated, he's frustrated, he's disappointed because all the others, the creditors, they have refused to settle the money they have to give Smanu. So here Papua also refusing to settle her money. So that disappointment, that frustration, he uttered these words. Right. Hari. Okay. Now ඔන්න අපේ fiction එක තියෙනවා. අපි මේක කරපු කොටසෙන් තියෙනවා. Read the following extract and answer the question given below it. Gradually, his reading of the Bhagavad Gita was replaced by the blue airmail letters. From their study, he formed a picture of America and was able to speak with authority on the subject of American landscape, culture, and civilization. He hardly noticed to whom he spoke. Anyone on the road seemed good enough. His acquaintances feared that he was afflicted with the talking disease. So now he has started to boast about his son's American tour. Which chapter is this? Fourth one or fifth one? Do you have the fourth one? Fifth one, he is coming back now. Yes, fourth chapter. As I remember, it's fourth one. Let me confirm.
Teacher, it's the 5th chapter.
Fifth chapter. Let me see. As I remember, fifth chapter. During the fifth chapter, he comes back home, na? Nada.
Teacher, 5th chapter, 52nd page.
Ah, yes. Yes. Fifth chapter. Fifth chapter. What is the page number?
52, teacher.
Yes, 52. Of course, yes. This is the fifth chapter. Who is refers to as he? Gradually, his reading of the Bhagavad Gita was replaced by the blue airmail. From their study, he formed a picture of America. He, who is he? Jagan. What is the situation? When Jagan's son When Jagan's son migrate to America, he starts sending letters and explain the situations of America. Then this man, Jagan, had a habit of explaining, boasting about his son's present current situation to all the Malgudi people. So, what is that is the situation? How could he talk about America with many details? Because his son is sharing details from America, right? Write the meaning of the following in your own words. Speak with authority. Speak with authority. Speak with authority means speak with awareness. I already know what it is. I already have enough explanation, details, information about what I am talking. Then I can speak with authority. මම දන්නවා මේක ගැන හොඳට. එතකොට මට හරිම මේ හිතේ හයියෙන් කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Yes. Yeah. Acquaintances. Friends. Acquaintances mean friends, known people, close people. Describe his characters as reflected in the above extract. Huh? He is a person who always appreciates his son's achievement. Even though it is a small one or a big one, he admires it with enough proudness. Right? He portrays all his son's achievements, all his son's positive qualities with pride. Ne? Hi, that is the fiction, and we'll move to the essay type question. Essay type question. Which poem is taken by you? Still you didn't answer the part 2 questions. මේක කරේ නෑනේ. හරි. අපි මේකේ part 2 එකයි. මෙන්න part 2 එකෙන් poem එකක් ගන්න, drama එකෙන් drama එකක් ගන්න, prose එකෙන් prose එකක් ගන්න. ඊට අමතරව fiction එකෙන් ඔයාලට අදාළ question එක ඔයාලා කරලා තියෙන්නේ vendor of sweets නේ. එතකොට vendor of sweets question එක ගන්න. question 4 අරගෙන පැය 2කට timer එක set කරලා answer එක ලියලා මට දාන්න. group එකේ දාන්න. ඔයාලා group එකේ දැම්මොත් තමයි අනිත් ළමයිට දන්නේ Shamira is answering the question. Still I didn't do. So it's a kind of motivation to the others. Please fix the timer for 2 hours. ඔයාලා timer එක start කරනකොට මට time clock එකේ photo එකක් අරගෙන දාන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලගේ clock එකේ photo එකක් තියෙනවා මගේ phone එකේ මගේ tab එකේ මට බලන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලා timer එක set කරනකොට teacher this is one. Here I have started my work. ඊට පස්සේ වැඩේ ඉවරන ගමන් here I have stopped my work කියලා වෙලාව දාලා මට දාලා තියන්න. එතකොට මම දන්නවා පුතාලා හරියට පැය දෙකක් අතුරත ලියලා ඉවර වෙන්න ඕන. එක question එකක් half an hour වලින් answer කරලා ඉවර වෙන්න ඕන. ඒ practice එක මට කරන්න පුළුවන් උපරිම දේ තමයි ක්ලාස් එකේ ඔයාලට දෙන්න. දැන් මම පටන් ගන්නවා ක්ලාස් එක ඇතුලේ ලියවන්න පුරුදු පටන් ගන්නවා. හැබැයි හිතලා බලන්නකො පැය භාගයක් ඔයාලට ලියන්න දීලා මම බලාගෙන ඉන්නකොට අපිට ඒ පැය භාගයට සෑහෙන දෙයක් අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. හැබැයි ඒක මම ලියවනවාමයි. ඔයාලව ප්‍රැක්ටිස් එක කරනවාමයි. හැබැයි මම papers 10ක් ඔයාලට ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරනවට වඩා මම දෙන paper එක පුතාලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරලා ක්ලාස් එකට ඇවිල්ලා මට පෙන්නලා මගෙන් අඩුපාඩු හදාගත්තාම ඔයාලට ඒකෙන් වැඩි ප්‍රයෝජනයක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. නේද? So මම දෙන දැන් මේ paper එකට මේක ඇවිල්ලා මේ North Western paper එක 2020 වල අනේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මට මේක කරලා දාන්න. පුතාලට තව චුට්ට කවලයයිනේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? තව මාස 9ක් වගේ මාස 9ක් කියන්නේ හිතලා බලන්න මාර්ච් කවදද පටන් ගත්තේ කියලා. නිකන් මේ දැන් පටන් ගත්තා වගේ නේද? අද කවද 10? Today March 6. Today March 6. තව සතියක් යනකොට මාර්ච් වලින් භාගයක් ඉවරයි. Time like flies. ඔයාලා හිතලා බලන්න උදේට නැගිටලා දවස් ඇතුළත වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය. ඉස්සර වගේ නෙමෙයි අපිට ඉස්සර එක දවස් මාස 3ක් තියනවා කියලා කියන්නේ වෙන ලොකු වෙලාවක්. දැන් එහෙම නෙමෙයි. තාමත් ඔයාලා නිකන් YouTube බලාගෙන ෆිල්ම් බලාගෙන නිදි කිරාගෙන සුරංගනා කතා බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා නම් ඉතින් අනේ මන් දන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් වැඩ කරන හොඳම කාලේ. අර පේනවනේ අයිෂා මවුලානගේ බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එක බලන්නකො. බරීඩා සාරාගේ බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් බලන්නකො. ඒකට පේනවා වැඩ කරන මිනිස්සු. අය මොනවා ලෝකෙට කායක් ගහලා කියලා වැඩ කරන මිනිස්සු ඉන්නේ අපිට. Right? So you have to work now. You have to be very conscious about O level නෑ කියලා කියන්නේ නිකන් වැඩක්ම නෑ. O level කියලා කියන්නේ O level හිතලා බලන්න. O level repeat කරන්න හිතන් ඉන්න මිනිස්සු. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ලෝකෙට යාලව අදාළම නැති මිනිස්සු. O level කියලා කියන්නේ basic exam එක. ඒකත් repeat කරනවා නම් ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලා A level කරන්න යනකොට නෝන මහත්තයා බබාව දෙන්න මම නර්සරි එකෙන් දාලා යන්නම් කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ. ඇයි O level repeat කරනවා? A level repeat කරනවා. O level repeat කරනකොට කොහොමද O level යනකොට අවුරුදු 20යි. ඊට පස්සේ A level ලියනකොට කසාද බැඳ නැත්නම් නෝන මහත්තයා වෙන මහත්තයෙක් වාගෙන යනවා. නේද? එහෙම හිතන්නකො සමහර අය ඉන්නවනේ O level repeat කරන. යුනිවර්සිටි යනකොට එහෙම බබාව grade 1 එකට දාලා තමයි ඔයාලට යුනිවර්සිටි යන්නේ. තේරුණානේ? ඒ වගේ මේ මෝඩ තීරණ ගන්න එපා. ඒ වගේ මෝඩ තීරණ ගන්න කට්ටියක් ඉන්නවා. අපි O level අනේ O level ෆේල් වුණාට මොනවද අපි රිපීට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? එහෙම මේ හිතන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා මේ ලෝකේ. මොකද මම දන්න මම හොඳටම දන්න කෙනෙක් එහෙම හිතනවා. ඒ නිසායි මම මේ කියන්නේ. හරිද? මම හොඳට දන්න මිනිස්සෙක් ඒ විදිහට හිතාගෙන ඉන්නවා. ඒක තමයි. ඒ තමයි මම දැන් මේ හිතන් ඉන්නේ මේ පුතාව යුනිවර්සිටි යවලා මුණුබුරාව grade 1 එකට දාන්න තමයි මේ දවස්වල මම plan කරගෙන ඉන්නේ. තේරුණාට තේරෙනවා. තේරෙන්නේ නැති අයට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? තේරෙන කට්ටියට ඒවා තේරෙනවා. තේරෙන්නේ නැති අයට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? දැන් මේ public environment එකේ personal pain එක express කරන අවස්ථාවක් මේක. public environment එකේ personal pain එක display කරන්න පුළුවන් දුර්ලභ අවස්ථාවක් මේක. හරිද? ඒවා තේරෙන්නේ මේ අර කවුද නිකොලස් වගේ කැටගරි කට්ටියට සුදුයි ඒවා තේරෙන්නේ. හරිද ළමයි? හරි. අපි අදට ක්ලාස් එක නවත්තමු. පුතේ අපිට ටියුස්ඩේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? voice kind. voice kind නේ. ඔයාලගේ presentations මොන හරි තියනවද? ඔව්. රිචඩ් කෝරි. රිචඩ් කෝරි presentation එක තියනවා නේද? yes. අපි next Friday එකට ලෑස්ති වෙලා ඉන්න. මම අද ඔයාලට paper එකක් කරා. next Friday රිචඩ් කෝරි එකට හොඳට practice වෙලා යන්න. හොඳ presentation එකක් කරන්න. ඔයාලගේ points වලට හොඳට prepare වෙන්න. background search එකක් කරන්න, research කරන්න, read කරන්න articles. මම කියලා දුන්නට වඩා බැරෑරුම් විදිහට හිතන්න බෑ. කියන්නේ මම කියලා දුන්නට වඩා වෙනස් angle එකකින් ඒ කරුණු analyze කරන්න, practice කරන්න, පුරුදු වෙන්න, try කරන්න. තේරුණානේ? හරි. අනිවාර්යෙන් මේ paper එක ලියන්න. මම හිතා බලන්න දැන් මගේ class එකේ මෙතන 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 10යිනේ ළමයි. ඒ වුණාට මගේ class එකේ ළමයි 33ක් ඉන්නවා pay කරන ළමයි. theory class එකේ තියෙනවා 35ක්, paper class එකේ ඉන්නවා 33ක්. ඒ කියන්නේ ළමයි භාගයට භාගයක් recording බලනවා. මම මේ recording බලන ළමයිටත් කියන්නේ ඔයාලා recording බලනවා කියලාවත් මට දන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද කවුරුත් මාව contact කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාලා pay කරගෙන යනවා, සල්ලි මේ වැටෙනවා. ඒ වුණාට දරුවනේ මාත් එක්ක contact තියාගන්න. මට ඔයාලගේ homework කරලා පෙන්නන්න. ළමයි 4ක් 5ක් වගේ presentations කරලා දානවා, answers ලියලා දානවා. recordings බලන අය අනිත් අය personally කිව්වොත් මට බරක්ම නැහැ. මොකද recordings මම class එකට කරන recordings එක අරන් දැම්මම එයාලා බලලා මට pay කරන එකෙන් මට අමාරුවක් නැහැනේ. හරිද? ඒ වුණාට මට වගකීමක් තියෙනවානේ ගුරුවරයෙක් විදිහට. මම ඒකයි කියන්නේ recordings බලන්න, notes ලියන්න. එදා දවසේ recordings බලපු ගමන් මට message එකක් දාන්න. ටීචර් අද මම lesson එක බැලුවා. මට මේක තේරුණා, මට මේක තේරුන්නේ නැහැ. මේ question එකට මේ answer එක ටීචර් මෙන්න මේකට අමෝද්‍යා කියපු answer එකට වඩා මට වෙනස් අදහසක් තියෙන්නේ. ටීචර් මේ answer එකට තිස්සලි මෙහෙම කිව්වා. ඒ වුණාට මට මෙහෙමයි හිතෙන්නේ කියලා මට voice note එකක් දාන්න. එතකොට තමයි අර අපි අතර මොකක්ද කියන්නේ මේ create වෙන්නේ. what we call that rapport එකක් create වෙන්නේ. මට දන්නේ මෙහෙම ළමයි ටිකක් ඉන්නවා කියන එක, වැඩ කරනවා කියන එක. තේරුණා නේද? හරි. God bless you පුතේ. good night.
Thank you, teacher. Good night, teacher.
teacher.
Welcome. Hi, God bless you. Oh, Baba, my mouse. My phone.